Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS padding bottom. So let's confirm it how we can use the CSS padding bottom shorthand property to do something special. So right now let's get back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our browser where we discuss about the CSS padding right shorthand property. Now we want to confirm the padding bottom shorthand property. This thing, the third value right here inside your padding is the one that is controlling the padding bottom. So how can we know that? So I'm going to change this one to 24 pixels, so this one can have 500 pixels. So you are going to see the effect now. Let's reload our document. Can you see padding from the bottom? Can you see how big it is? So this is how you can confirm it. As you can see, the third value inside our padding shorthand property is the one that is controlling the padding bottom. Let's decrease it to 2 pixels so you can be able to see that it's the one that is really controlling it. We change it to 2 pixels. Let's reload our document. Can you see now we are having 2 pixels? So let's increase it back to 300 so you can see that is really the one that is controlling it. Now when I reload, can you see is the one we have 300 pixels right here. So please try to practice this because practice makes perfect. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace and love.